Hello and welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today, we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering sandwich that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Let's get started. The first step in making the perfect sandwich is choosing the right bread. You want to choose a bread that is fresh, soft and not too dense. Today, we're going to use a whole wheat bread, but you can use whatever you like best. Now, let's move on to the fillings. The key to a perfect sandwich is balance. You want to include a mix of protein, vegetables and condiments. Today, we're going to make a classic ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. Firstly, you will need a few slices of ham and places it on one slice of bread. Next, we will fry some eggs on a pan. This will add some extra protein and flavor to the sandwich. You may also add some tomato if you wish. After frying, add the eggs to the sandwich. Now, let's add some lettuce, tomato, and red onion to the sandwich. These will add some crunch and freshness to the sandwich. Next, we're going to add some condiments. For the condiments, we're going to use a bit of mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Next, spread the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard evenly throughout the sandwich. Finally, we're going to add a slice of cheese on top of the ham. This will give the sandwich a nice, creamy flavor. But wait, there's one more step. We're going to grill the sandwich for a minute or two on each side. This will make the bread nice and crispy and melt the cheese. And there you have it, the perfect sandwich. Let's take a bite. Happy sandwich making! Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe for more food recipes and cooking tips.